Good morning all. Today we will be doing a reading section part C. So this is the discussion section and this I will be providing material. So in between I am not pausing. So I am not giving time, but you can definitely pause in between and before listening to discussion. So it's always better to listen to the discussion once you did the question by yourself. So you will be getting a better understanding. So this is the question and I will show you the passage now. So this is the passage. Take time to read. So I am moving on with the explanation. Pause and do, okay? So the question is, the writer suggests that the potential for harm from asbestosis is increased by. Why it is the potential for harm is getting increased. So the answer for that is 7C. So you can get that same 7C answer from these two sentences. Okay. Used in huge number of products and because of widespread use of asbestos. So that's from the way. The fact that it is used so extensively means used in huge number of products because of widespread usage. Both has the same meaning. Okay. So here actually why it is increased, potential is increasing because the usage is increased, so that's the reason. Okay, and I hope you got that. It's not using in the presence in recently constructed building. They are not discussing about that over here. The way it reacts with other substance, it's not reacting. Okay, a change in method of manufacture. Method, there is no change in the method of manufacture. So that's not discussing. Why it is increasing? Harm is increasing because of the widespread usage. So this is how you have to get the answer. Moving on to the next question. Take time to read. Passage. Now answer. So the question is the word ubiquitous. So these type of questions definitely need, you have to search in the same line. So the answer will be starting in the same line. Okay. Okay, answer will be definitely will be within the same line. So it's again the same line because of the widespread usage of asbestos. Okay, can be found everywhere. Answer is 8A. Can be found everywhere. Okay, can be found everywhere. So it's not may last for long time. You might have got that. Long time means what? Duration. They are not discussing about the duration over here. Have an unchanging in the same line. They are not writing that, so it will be from the mostly from the same, and they are not discussing, not given. Natural substance not mentioning. So that's the reason why we are skipping all these things. Next question. So ninth question. So this is the passage. Question, passage. Okay, so now the answer. Answer actually we will get from this sentence. Okay. So these are the places from where you can highlight it for that question. So case study of 67-year-old man is given to show that it takes often 10 to 20 to 40 years for after exposure. So it's not immediately identified. To after delayed identification, 10 to 20 to 40 years. So that's the reason why answer is for the ninth question, it is C, time of exposure. The time from exposure to disease may cause delayed diagnosis. It's actually 20 years, it's 20 to 40 years it's taking. Smoking, now some people might have get smoking. Okay, smoking is unrelated. They are explaining over here smoking, but show me where this unrelated word is coming. Okay, so it won't come. So just read the same sentence. That relationship I want. It won't be there. Doctors should be able to diagnose asbestos. This should be is not there, and it's not possible for anyone to diagnose early. So that's why it's not the answer. Patient must provide full employment history details. They are not mentioning about this. So that's the reason it's not the answer. Now next one. This is the passage and this is the question. And now answer 10th D. Explanation. They are explaining all these points over here, but what is the question? What is the disagreement? Highlights the disagreement about. So you have to look for the disagreement. What is the synonym for disagreement? It's debate. Okay. So that's why if you are reading all these things, it's a waste of time for you because you are not doing skim and scan. That is the meaning of skim and scan. Okay. Debate. So what is the answer? 10D, right? So the degree of contact with asbestos fibers considered harmful. Degree of contact, level of exposure, that is the synonym they used, meaning. And considered harmful, no safe level. So from these highlighted words, we are getting the answer as D. They don't have, there is no debate over relative safety of two types of asbestos fibers. No, they are not discussing over here. Impact of types of fibers on disease development. Result of studies. See, actually, I haven't read this. You read this, and that's why you are getting confused. I directly went with the debate, and I look the sentence around this. So, with experience, you can do that. So, next question. 11th one. Passage. Now answer B. From this line. Okay. In the fourth paragraph, writer points out that the longer asbestos fiber. So, they are telling over here less than 3 mm and more than 5 mm. Okay, in that case, you don't have to read about something small. Only our focus is something longer fibers. So, read here pulmonary tissue, lung tissue. Okay. Now it's like release substance. Inflammation is discussing over here, from here. But do they discuss about the substance which is they are releasing? It's not there. So that's the reason. So okay, this is the explanation, and you have to see sometimes options will be not given or it could be false. Only we have to select completely true statements. 12th question. Passage. Explanation. So 12 answer is B. What is highlighted as an important component of patient management? So over here, this is a passage. Okay. See, actually, whatever marked here, it's not important. From there, you won't get the statement in the pink color. So actually, how I didn't read all those things, I look for the connectors like so, therefore, however, and all. So I looked at the connectors so over here. So it is like a conclusion. So means whatever said here, they might be discussing something here and there, this or that, but that's not the case. But so means it's the conclusion. So therefore, thus, hence means everything starts with a conclusion. So I actually focused on this sentence. So prevention and rapid treatment is vital. Prevention means what? Infection control. Okay. Use of corticosteroids and all. They are not. They might be explaining. May be given. See, may be given. It's not the main thing. May be given. Okay. Excision of scar tissue. I think that sentence is remove scar. Maybe. See again, maybe. Recommended to remove scar. Okay, so we can avoid that. So like that you have to understand. This intervention means actually early treatment. Okay, this is not actually prevention or infection control. It's not the same meaning, so that's why it's not C. Next one, 13. Passage. Now answer. 13 means B. From this sentence, it's like products made from crystalline. Here it is the products. See the products. Products from it's taking a long delay in the development of disease. Okay, so it's like long delay. One second, give me time. 13B may pose future health threat. So it's for future. Okay, a long time it's taking, long delay. So that means future. So from this line we are getting the answer. Now the last question. So this is the passage and the final one. In the final question, passage, explanation, answer is C. So this is the answer. Okay, so from this line we are getting answer C. Ongoing medication remains a significant clinical problem. Asbestosis will remain. Okay, it will be. Okay, so from there we will be getting, from that one line actually we are getting the answer. Okay, from here maybe you are getting long period of time between, this is actually reason. What is the reason due to? But that is not the reason. So this is the why long interval from, I strike that. Decrease use of work, they are not discussing. They will over here occupational exposed. That is not the meaning of this. Okay. So that's the reason. So this I discussed one extract from here, part C. So please do take time and do. I just discussed. This is a discussion video, and if you have any doubt, please come and ask me. Thank you all.